We'll continue with exercise 7D, coordinate geometry. Now we see question number 7. We have this 3 point, then they say we have to prove they are collinear if 1 by A plus 1 by B equal 1. That means this 3 will be collinear only if 1 by A plus 1 by B equal 1. So what to do? Because we know that if the point are collinear, area of triangle will be 0. So let us find first the area of triangle. So it will be half A. If you take A, it will be B minus 1. If you take 0, it will be 1 minus 0. So 0 into anything becomes 0. Then the third part, if you take 1, it becomes 0 minus B. Then after we replace, so B and 1, one alphabet, one number, we cannot minus. So into A into B, A into minus 1, 0 here become, then 1 into minus B will be minus B. Then here we have AB minus A, then here we have minus B. So AB we can take, cannot do anything, A all different, so leave that as equation 1. Then they'll give us 1 by A plus 1 by B equal 1. We take LCM, AB. So A here, we are left with B, B into 1, B. Then B divide here, we are left with A. So this one we cross multiply. So here that means instead of B plus A, we can put with AB. Here we see both are minus. So if we take common minus, it will become A plus B. So okay, or do one thing here also, it's okay. In place of A plus B, here we put B plus A. So B minus B 0, A minus A 0. So that means we see the area of triangle become 0, which means the point are collinear. So clearly from here, if this one is not there, then this one will not be 0. But this whole area becomes 0 only because 1 by A plus 1 by B equal 1. So it proves what they say. The next question number 7-2. We have point AB, A1, B1, A minus A1, B minus B1. They are collinear. Here also, this 3 given point, they will be collinear only if AB1 equal A1B. So for collinearity, we need area of triangle. So let's find that out. So it will be, if we take A, it will be B1 minus B minus B1. If we take A1, it will be B minus B1 minus B. If we take A1, A minus A1, it will become B minus B1. So after taking the area, let us see what we can do. Here we multiply inside. So minus to plus, minus to minus. So there we have B1, B1 both plus. So 2B1 minus B, we leave it alone. Then here we have 1B plus, 1B minus. We can cancel. We are left only with minus B1. So minus to plus minus, we are left with A1, B1. Then here we have, they are all different. So we can multiply. Okay. A, we multiply B. So AB, A multiply B1, it will be minus AB1. Then minus A1 into B will be minus A1B, minus to minus plus, then A1B1. So see any term we can cancel. Okay, here we can multiply inside. So here we have minus AB, then there we have plus AB, we can cancel. We have minus A1 B1 plus A1 B1, we can cancel. So there 2 AB1, here AB1. Here we have 2, here we have 1. So 2 minus 1 will be AB1. Then here we have A1B. We can write it there. So this is not 0, but let us check about the given condition. They give us AB1 equal A1B. AB1 equal A1B. If I replace in place of AB1 with A1B, then what happened? A1B minus A1B, it will become 0. So if the area of triangle is 0, the points are collinear. So we see that the whole area here becomes 0 only when AB1 equal to A1B. So it proves that the points are collinear only when these two are equal. So we move on to next question number 8. We have 3 points here. They are on the same line. So when they say same line mean they are collinear. So we have to prove that this relation is equal to 0. We know that these 3 points are collinear. It means area of triangle will be 0. So let's find out the area of triangle first. If we take here x1, then it become y2 minus y3. If we take x2, it become y3 minus y1. If we take x3, it become y1 minus y2. So after replacing the value, let's see what we can do. So this 2, because the area is 0, okay, we can multiply this side, it becomes 0. So now after we replace and check the proof, here we have y2 minus y3, that one we have, but x1 we don't want. Here y3 minus y1, we don't want x2. y1 minus y2, we don't want x3. But in numerator we have 2, 3. Okay, so what to do? We divide both numerator and denominator by, because here we want 2, 3, 1 by x1, x2, x3 to each portion. Okay, to each portion, all the 3 portion we divide by this. So here x1 cancel, y2 minus y1, x2 into x3, which is the first part of the proof. Then here also x2, we are left y3 minus y1, x3, x1, which is the second part. Then x3 cancel x3, yeah, y1 minus y2, x2, x1, x2, which is the third part. Then 0 divided by this will become 0. So we prove the relation. Then next number 9. We have to find a relation between this 3 points A, B, C, already given that they are collinear. So we know that if the points are collinear, their area will be 0. So if we find the area, take 2, become y minus 5. If we take x, it become 5 minus 1. If we take 7, it become 1 minus y. So after replacing the value, let's see what we can do. Area of triangle equals 0 because the points are collinear. So this 2 we can cross multiply. 2 into 0 become 0. Here one alphabet, one number, we cannot minus. So let's multiply. 2 into y, 2 into 5 will be 10. Here both number you can minus. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 into x, 4x. One alphabet, one number, you cannot minus. So multiply them. 7 into 1, 7 into minus y. So there 2y, 7y will be 5y. Okay, 4x alone minus 10 plus 7, so minus 3. After that we cannot do anything, so this is the required relation. Move on to number 10. A, B, C, they are collinear. Then we have to show that there is a relation like this. Point are collinear, area triangle equals 0. So let's find area of triangle. We take x, it be 7 minus 5, that means 2x. Then if take minus 5, it will become 5 minus y. There we have to multiply. Minus 4 will become y minus 7. So let's quickly see what we can do. 7 minus 5, 2x. Here one alphabet, one number, we cannot minus, so we multiply. Minus 5 to 5 minus 25, minus to minus plus 5y. Here one alphabet, one number, you multiply. Then 2 as usual, transfer it the other side because it's 0. So 2x remains same. 5y minus 4y, we get 1y. 28 minus 25, we get equal to 0. It proves the relation.